Yes, I would love to use this time once again to welcome you to this wonderful YouTube channel where it is educative in nature. Now in this channel again, I would love to take you through presentation. How do we present what we have probably in Microsoft PowerPoint? That is what we're going to do in this moment. You come to realize that in PowerPoint is just where possibly if you feel you want to have what we're calling thorough lectures or thorough education activities, so anything which is informative, and you want to present it to a couples of people, can be a group of people, can be maybe where you find people are gathered together, conveyed together really for education purposes. That is when you really have to do the needful. That is in good presentation, PowerPoint presentation. So this one can as well be called presentation software. So in this case, I'm going to take you through. But before we move, I would love you to subscribe to this channel. This is Prescopio YouTube channel. As you subscribe, you'll keep getting more and more videos of this nature. So in this scenario, let us start. So you open what we're calling as PowerPoint. You open your PowerPoint. So as you open wide, this is what we're calling the home page of this. So in the open page of this, you come here, you want to put your slides. Come to home, where you have to first of all have a title slide. That come first before everything. The titles of what you'll be presenting definitely will come there. So here, first of all, the main title that I'll be in position to talk about will be this, what I'm calling as photosynthesis. So this is the main title that will come. So within this photosynthesis, I'll be in position to go through first of all the definition of what I'm calling as photosynthesis. Apart from definition, I should talk about what I'm calling as the raw materials needed for photosynthesis. Should also bring what I'm calling as the conditions necessary for this process. I should also consider products that really come as a result of this process to happen. All of us know this is a process that really happen in plants. So let me be specific here. Raw materials for photosynthesis. This is also conditions for photosynthesis. So products of photosynthesis. This is what we have. So you make sure that what you have, it is correct. It is not something else. I mean photosynthesis, but not something else. So if I want to include another slide, I come now to title and what? Content. I'm done with the first one, which is talking about photosynthesis, and this. I can modify this work by making all of them be in what I'm calling as Times New Roman. So I can come here and say I want my things to be in Times New Roman. Yes, this is what I can do, and bold my title. The same thing I apply here. do you think should be what I'm calling as Times New Roman, as you can see, and you plan on it very well to be something organized like this nature. So in the next slide I will talk about the definition of photosynthesis. So I come and highlight this, as you can see, put it in the next slide as the title. But before, what you do after highlighting like this, you copy. After highlighting like this, you copy definition of photosynthesis, right click, come to copy, come to the next slide, go to title, and you paste it here. So that is what I have as the definition of photosynthesis. So what I do here is I make it be bold. I come here. What do you think is the definition of photosynthesis? You say photosynthesis, first of all, is a process. Photosynthesis is what? A process by which green plants make their own food. Process by which green plants make their own food. This is the definition of photosynthesis, and it is over. I come to new slide. I had another one. I come back. What I have in my items is the raw materials for photosynthesis. I just come and highlight raw materials, then I copy, go back to my slide, paste. Instead of just doing it manually, by doing this you'll have simplified your work. The raw material for photosynthesis, that's what we have. But before, as well, you can make it be neat by bolding it. Come down. What do you think are the raw materials for photosynthesis? The first is carbon dioxide that is always in the atmosphere. What animals released is carbon dioxide, which is a raw material of photosynthesis. The next vital thing is water. Water, it is a raw materials as well, required for the process of photosynthesis, and it is over. Come to new slide, tap on that. What I have next is the conditions necessary for photosynthesis to occur. Condition necessary for photosynthesis to occur. So with this, I right click, condition necessary for photosynthesis to occur. I copy to my slide number 4. I right click and paste. This is a condition necessary for my photosynthesis to occur. So here I also bold and make my work be neat. So the first condition necessary for photosynthesis to occur is what we are calling as chlorophyll, what brings the greenery. The next thing is sunlight, source of energy in the process of photosynthesis. So we have chlorophyll and sunlight. These are what we're calling as the conditions necessary for photosynthesis. Finally, I come and had the last slide, which will be talking about the products for the process of photosynthesis. So this is the last thing that I'll talk about. I copy it to this, copy it to slide number 5. This is the products for photosynthesis to occur. This one, make it remain bold. So the product, first of all, is what I'm calling as oxygen. This is a byproduct of the process of photosynthesis. Oxygen, talk about glucose. Oxygen, talk about this one. This is glucose, very important component. These are the sugars. You can call it food, you can call it what to plants. It is sugar, what is transported actually from the leaf through the phloem vessels. So it's what we're calling as the glucose. So this is a presentation that I've already made, that really I am supposed to present to the group of people that I'm really going to lecture them. This is what you do. So first of all, doing this, you start applying. You may put a design of your nature, of your choice, probably design of your choice. I can tap on this. You can see it is applying now to all what I've been having. You can see this, you can see that. So all along we should select definitely something which is very clear is what we need. Something which is very clear. Should not be something which is hard to see, but no matter, even if you don't want to apply any design, you use the original of what you have, there's no problem, so long as, yes, maybe you can let it be something of this nature. Photosynthesis definition, something of that nature. Let it be this for easy viewing, and so that the audience can see best what we are doing here. Now the next thing here, you can apply the transitions of your choice. How do you want the slides to be appearing is what we're calling as transition. So you can come here, you set your transition. Maybe I want this. Yes, this is not something which seems, you can come here and apply to all, and apply the thing to all. Yes, if you apply it to all, you set the duration or the time frame that you want really your things to be showing. Maybe after every 1 second I should realize a change. Apply to all. Yes, I've already applied this transitional effect to all. Slideshow is now what comes. Maybe the animations you want now the text to be appearing in a way that they are all different and unique. You can apply animations. Can apply as well the slideshow to the extent that I want my thing to be changing here and there. So you come from the beginning, means you're starting from the first thing that you have. So this is what I have. So this is what I have. So with this, you can have the capacity to show to your audience that this is what you're doing, something of that nature. Make it come perfect. So that is really what we have in PowerPoint presentation. Yes, so with this, now you can keep on seeing and viewing what you have really prepared, as you can apply now the slideshow to make sure that the whole document are seen. So from here you can just now say from the beginning. You want everything to start from the beginning as you lecture, like that. You keep on changing, you keep on changing as you give the whole outlook, how what you're doing seems like. So that is what you do here. So here you just keep on moving like that, like that. So that is what you do, probably it. So everything is over, so we can really practice and make it move on perfectly by applying this slideshow from the transition. You set the ultimatum where you keep seeing what you have going down there, as you see, like that, like that, like that, and you keep lecturing the group of people that you are really doing. So I thank you so much for really following me here. From me to you, bye bye. But what you do, you should just subscribe to this channel as you keep watching more videos that will be educating you probably on the use of some of these packages and how they are applied and what is their significance and how do they help. Thank you so much.